Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you two different ways in which you can share the screen of your iPad with your TV. The first method is wireless. If for some reason the first method is not working, the second method is wired. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. Anyways, let's begin the video. If you want to share your screen from your iPad to your TV wirelessly, then there are two things that you need to make sure of. First of all, your iPad and your TV should be connected to the same Wi-Fi or internet connection. Secondly, your TV should have AirPlay support. If you are unsure, you can simply Google your TV's model and search whether it supports AirPlay or not. So these are the two requirements. Now, if your iPad and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi and your TV supports AirPlay, then on your iPad you are going to swipe from the top right and you are going to see this option, which is screen mirroring. If you are unable to see it, long press on it, click on add control and add the screen mirroring option from this. So yeah, in my case, since the control is already present, I am going to click on it and it will show me my external TV, as you can see. So I am going to click on it. On the TV it will show a passcode, so I am going to enter it right now on my iPad. And now you can see my iPad screen is being mirrored on the TV wirelessly. If I go on to landscape mode, you can see we have the landscape mode, and as I swipe, the screen is being mirrored on the TV. So this is the first method to mirror your screen wirelessly. If your TV does not have AirPlay, then let me show you the wired method. For the wired method, first of all you need to know something, that whether your iPad has a type C connector or the lightning connector. In my case, you can see I have a type C connector. So in this case I am going to need a type C to HDMI converter. Here you can see a simple type C to HDMI converter. If you have a lightning port, then you need a lightning to HDMI converter, because we are going to use this to connect the HDMI cable from our TV to our iPad. So here you are going to need an HDMI cable. One end will be connected to your TV and the other end will be connected to this converter like so. And now this end will be connected to our iPad, and that's all. Now I'm going to power on the iPad and the TV as well. And now my iPad should automatically mirror on the TV. If for some reason it is not mirroring, you can basically go to the sources of your TV and select HDMI. In my case it is not, so I'm going to select HDMI source from the TV. Let me show you the TV screen as well. So here you can see the iPad screen is being mirrored via the wire method. As you can see, if I move it, you can do so. I'm sorry if the camera is too much zoomed in because the HDMI cable is quite short. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.